A car door that won't lock properly is more than just an inconvenience. It can compromise your vehicle's security and safety. Understanding the common causes and knowing how to fix them can help you restore proper locking function and avoid more serious problems. The first step in addressing a door that won't lock properly is to examine the key and lock cylinder. Over time, a key can become worn or slightly bent, preventing it from fully engaging the lock mechanism. Similarly, dirt, dust or rust can accumulate inside the lock cylinder, making it difficult for the key to turn smoothly. By inspecting the key for damage and cleaning or lubricating the cylinder with a suitable product, you can often restore proper function without the need for more extensive repairs. This simple check can save time and prevent further damage to the locking system. If your car's power locks are not functioning properly, the problem may lie with the door lock actuator. The actuator is an electrical component that controls the locking and unlocking of the door. When it starts to fail, the lock may move weakly, inconsistently, or not at all. Often, you might hear a clicking sound coming from inside the door when attempting to lock or unlock it, but the mechanism doesn't engage. In most cases, a faulty actuator cannot be repaired and needs to be replaced to restore proper locking function. For vehicles with power locks, electrical problems are a common cause of a door not locking properly. A blown fuse can interrupt power to the locking system, while loose or damaged wiring inside the door can prevent the actuator from receiving signals. To troubleshoot, check the fuse box for any blown fuses related to the door locks and inspect the wiring inside the door for signs of wear, corrosion, or disconnected connectors. Addressing these electrical problems can often restore proper lock function without replacing mechanical components. If your car door doesn't respond to the remote key fob, the problem may be as simple as a dead battery in the fob or a need for reprogramming. A weak or dead battery can prevent the fob from sending the signal to the vehicle's locking system, while a misprogrammed fob may fail to communicate with the car entirely. Before assuming a more serious mechanical or electrical problem, try replacing the battery in the key fob. Door alignment problems can also prevent a car door from locking properly. Over time, worn hinges or previous impacts can cause the door to sit slightly out of position, preventing the latch from aligning correctly with the striker. When this happens, the lock may not engage fully, making it difficult or impossible to secure the door. Adjusting the door hinges or repositioning the striker can realign the door, allowing the latch to function correctly and restoring proper locking operation. Prompt attention not only restores convenience, but also ensures your vehicle remains secure and safe to drive.